now a stunning new twist in that Vanderbilt rape trial and what it could mean to the guilty verdict. Two former college football players were convicted this week of sexual assault. But can new information about a juror lead to that verdict being thrown out? ABC's Ryan Smith here with what could happen next. And good morning, Ryan.
Good morning, Paula. Just days after the conviction, a juror's past could come back to haunt this verdict, with the defense claiming it goes to the heart of this trial. This is Jurors Speak to us about those cell phone videos that helped crack this case.
This morning, attorneys for one of the two men convicted in the Vanderbilt University rape case fighting to overturn that verdict. The defense team for former football player Brandon Vandenberg revealing plans to file a motion to vacate the guilty verdict after discovering one of the jurors did not disclose he or she was a sexual assault victim 15 years ago.
To not disclose that you were the victim of a sex crime in a case where it's about a sex crime is not a frivolous motion on the part of the defense.
In a statement to ABC News, the attorney for the jurors said the past situation has zero similarity to the facts presented, nor did the past situation have any impact upon deliberation or decision-making in this case. The conflict revealed just days after Vandenberg, along with teammate Corey Beatty, were convicted on 4 counts of aggravated rape and 2 counts of sexual battery.
We, the jury, found the defendant, Corey Lamont Beatty, guilty.
The two men, seen here in this surveillance footage along with 2 others, accused of bringing an unconscious victim to Vandenberg's room after a night of heavy drinking in 2013, where she was sexually assaulted. The jury's decision coming after just 3 hours of deliberation, thanks in part to a damning cell phone video.
Tell me what your feelings were when they played that video for you.
Horrified and utterly disgusted.
I asked myself, how could they do this to this young lady?
Jurors telling us during jury selection, attorneys asked if they were prepared for the graphic nature of this crime.
They mentioned, this is a rape trial. There'll be graphic images and graphic statements, and, can you handle that?
As it stands now, Vandenberg and Beatty will be sentenced March 6 and face decades in prison. The other 2 men involved are still awaiting trial. Paul and Dan.
Many more developments to come. Ryan, thank you.